Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our captivating channel, Motivation of Life. We're thrilled to have you join us today. Are you ready for an exciting and informative journey? Well, in this extraordinary episode, we're diving deep into the world of Nova Scotia Provincial Nominee Program 2023, also known as NSP NP. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single second of this remarkable video. So, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click that notification bell to stay updated with our upcoming episodes. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Imagine starting a new chapter of your life in beautiful Nova Scotia. Despite being the second smallest province in Canada, its vast natural resources and growing demand for highly skilled workers make it an incredible destination. And guess what? The Provincial Nominee Program allows the government of Nova Scotia to nominate foreign workers who meet the program's requirements. It gets even better. Successful applicants receive a coveted Nova Scotia Provincial Nominee Certificate, which expedites the Canada Immigration Permanent Resident Visa application process. Now, let's talk about the various streams available under the Nova Scotia Provincial Nominee Program, PNP. There are 6 different streams you can qualify under, each offering a unique pathway to your dream of living in Nova Scotia. Get ready to explore these exciting options. First up, we have the Nova Scotia Demand Express entry. To apply under Category A, you must have a profile registered in the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada's Express entry system and score 67 points or more on the stream's selection factors. Additionally, having a job offer from a Nova Scotia employer for full-time skilled work lasting at least 1 year after receiving your permanent resident visa is a significant advantage. Don't worry, we'll guide you through the exceptions and other requirements. If you're eyeing the Nova Scotia Labour Market Priorities stream, you're in for a treat. This stream selects candidates from the Federal Express entry system who meet the province's specific labour market needs. Only those who receive a letter of interest from the Nova Scotia Office of Immigration can apply. We'll walk you through the minimum work experience requirements, funds needed for settlement, and other important criteria. Calling all physicians. Nova Scotia has a dedicated stream to help the public health authorities and health centres recruit and retain general practitioners, family physicians, and specialist physicians. The physician stream supports the province in filling positions that couldn't be filled by permanent residents or Canadian citizens. We'll outline the eligibility criteria, including the specific occupations and required documents. For all the aspiring entrepreneurs out there, Nova Scotia has an incredible opportunity waiting for you. The Entrepreneur Stream is designed for experienced business owners or senior business managers who want to live in Nova Scotia. You can start a new business or acquire an existing one and actively participate in its day-to-day management. After a year of successful business operation, you may be nominated for permanent resident status. We'll provide all the details you need to embark on this entrepreneurial journey. Attention recent graduates. The International Graduate Entrepreneur Stream is tailored just for you. If you've graduated from a Nova Scotia university or the Nova Scotia Community College and have already started or purchased a Nova Scotia business, you might be eligible for this stream. Your business should have been operational for at least a year, and settling in Nova Scotia should be your plan. We'll guide you through the requirements, including your post-graduation work permit and language proficiency. Last but not least, The skilled worker stream is here to assist employers in recruiting foreign workers and international students who possess the skills in demand in Nova Scotia. Employers can hire foreign workers for positions they couldn't fill with permanent residents or Canadian citizens. Whether you're a skilled, semi-skilled, or low-skilled worker, we'll outline the necessary qualifications, including work experience, language proficiency, and financial resources. Now, you might be wondering why you should choose our channel. Well, let me tell you. Applying for the 2023 Nova Scotia PNP can be a complex endeavor. And having accurate and reliable information is crucial to navigate through the process successfully. That's where we come in. We are here to provide you with the best information based on our knowledge and expertise. Our aim is to not only offer guidance but also to motivate and inspire you to achieve great things in your life. However, it's important to note that we are not immigration consultants. Our role is to empower you with valuable insights and resources. To ensure personalized guidance, we encourage you to conduct further research or consult an immigration professional of your choice. So, why choose our channel? Because we're dedicated to supporting you on this journey and helping you unlock the doors to your future. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together. But before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. We value your feedback. Thank you for watching this enlightening video. And we genuinely hope you found the information useful. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll bring you more exciting content. Until then, take care and see you soon.